mga kawala, this is Coach R. Sa Sports ang Usapan, G tayo dyan. We're here with some college students. Gusto yata malaman ano yung tingin natin sa UAP Finals. So let's listen first to your questions. Guys.
Hi Coach, I'm a college student. I just want to know, since LaSalle is in the finals, how do you think this trilogy will end?
So yung mga students, they went here, ay magpakita ng face, no, naiyaya sa mga classmates nila at teachers nila. So let's go straight to the point on this. No? First pala, nagbenta na ng tickets ang UAP for the finals. It's Monday, December 8, and ubus kagad. No, yung mga kasama ko dito nakakuha yata, Gen Ad na lang. Eh, good luck na lang. No? But okay pa rin naman sa Gen Ad. Tabi mo yung mga drops. No? Anyway, medyo hirapan sa ticket, pero ganyan talaga, finals eh. Kita na ng mga scalpers niyan. Hello guys, mga kaibigan din natin yan. Let's go straight to the point. Ano tingin ko? Who will win? What will happen? LaSalle in 3. I think this finals will be very similar to 2023. At that time, medyo dehado LaSalle, no? Parang upstart versus a very established team. Ngayon, equal footing sila kasi pareho namang 3 beses na nag-finals yan. Trilogy nga, no? So we looked at the statistics, though, because we want to give you a data-based approach to analytics, no? So, ano ba nakita natin? Okay, LaSalle won 2 games versus UP. First game was October 19, they won 72-69 and repeated on November 22, 87-82. Pag titingnan mo yung stats, marami yan, no? We'll just post it here sa video para ma-analyze nyo rin. Halos pantay or may konting difference lang, no? Or insignificant difference, no? But what did I notice here as trends, no? Kasi yun yung pinaka-importante, no? Kasi yun yung magiging basis on a data-driven approach, no? So I think there are two things here that stand out among all the data presented. Number 1 is second chance points. LaSalle won both, in both times. First game 17-11, second game 16-10. So that's a 6-point spread on both games. Another thing is points off turnovers, which LaSalle won in the first game 17-7, and in the second game 16-5. So 10 points yun. 10, 11 points. So, malaki yun. So what does this point out to? These are hustle points. Second chance points. Rebound. Probably si Mike Phillips to. Ito yung mga putbacks niya. No? Kasi he never stops jumping si Motor Mike. And points off turnovers. Ito yung LaSalle press, definitely. Because it really gives you a lot of points. No? So, LaSalle is winning on hustle points. And I think yan din ang magiging keys to winning nila, itong dalawang statistics ito. Hustle points talaga. Parehong magagaling, parehong very capable of winning. It depends lang on who wants it more. So, talagang hustle points yan. Interestingly, there are 2 more statistics here that I want to point out. No? Perimeter points and points on the paint. Nakikita dito, if you add the points from both games, that UP is really leading on perimeter points. Mga shooter yan eh. And they will continue to shoot. Shooters will always shoot. Kita mo naman si Fortea nung UST game, no? Very clutch shot. But, nababawi sa points in the paint dahil kay Mike Phillips. No? So, that's 80 versus 68. So, kung ano mang advantage sa perimeter, nababawi sa points in the paint. So, medyo iba yung laro nilang dalawa. UP likes the outside game and LaSalle likes isolation and inside game. Who will win? Yun nga, ang tingin natin, LaSalle will prevail because of the hustle points. No? I think it will be 3 games. Yung una, I have to give it to UP. No? LaSalle is very good kasi in catching up. Talagang when their backs are against the wall, doon sila magaling. Itong game 1, they have the luxury of losing Game 1. Of course, mahirap bumawi. Pero ganoon talaga yung style ng Lasal. Talaga bumabawi sila pag pressured sila or talagang kung kailan dapat bumawi. So I think UP will win it big in the first game, just like in 2023. If you recall, I think that's, tama ba Mike? 25 points? Parang gano'n, no? 25-point lead. And bumawi Lasal sa game 2. Tinambakan din, 20 points. And then finally winning it in game 3. So magiging gano'n yung trend ng championship na to. Magpapasko na nga, no? So matatapos tong championship na to week before Christmas na lang. It will be a very good Christmas gift to the Lasalians. I think yun yung sagot ko, guys, sa question nyo on who will win the trilogy. I hope matutuwa kayo because you're cheering for that school. Itong kabilang group naman, sorry guys, I have to be honest on my analysis and make it data-driven. Alright guys, so yun ang prediction natin. Tingnan natin. Prediction lang naman yan. Pwede pa rin magkamali, pwede magkaiba. So let's see in the finals, December 10 ang start. See you in the UAP finals. Bye!